It is cold, and I didn't let the truck warm up very much at all, and it's still cold. And since the last time you guys were tuned in, you watched, we got dumped on with snow and some like really cold weather. It's been pretty crappy, so I haven't really been outside to do anything. I've been plotting and planning and that sort. But today we get to go do something fun. We are going to look for cameras, so you guys get to go with me. I really don't know jack about cameras. I looked them up on Google a little bit earlier while I was editing the last video, and I kind of flipped through them. I was preoccupied. I had, kids talking to me. My girlfriend was talking to me, so I was trying to do that and edit a video. So I didn't really get a good look, but I did see that they range anywhere between $100 and like a few grand. So I got to see what I can find in my budget. What's good? What's going to be good? I think a few things for the channel. We'll get to check those out. You guys get to come with us while we do that. We're definitely going to check out cameras maybe there at the mall and see what they have. And I'll probably hit up Best Buy and Walmart. So we're going to see what we got. So hopefully by the end of this video, we will be taking it with our new camera. And I got some more tools at Harbor Freight. I couldn't take it. I had to go back. I got a ratchet and the metric set of sockets, the colored ones, same. And I got a couple other small tools. And I may be swinging back by there before it's over. We left the mall. The mall didn't have squat except for Chinese food and fake jewelry. I didn't buy any fake jewelry. I did have Chinese food. It wasn't too bad, but I'm ready for a cheeseburger. But before I get a cheeseburger, we're here at Best Buy. We're getting ready to go in here, guys, and we'll most likely come out with a camera. So, okay, let's go see what they have. As you can see, it's dark on me once again. Man, I'm telling you, winter in Indiana is nothing nice to anybody. It's cold, it's dark all the time. You can't do anything. But anyway, we did get something accomplished today. Let me get you up to speed. So we were at Best Buy. We're getting ready to go in. And we were actually in Best Buy. And we were just looking around at cameras. And the guy just going on and on and on forever. And I don't really know anything about cameras. And he's showing me all kinds of stuff. And I want to take a minute to just look at them myself and just kind of see. And he wouldn't really leave me alone. And I kind of was looking at a camera and I was interested in it, but they didn't even have it in stock. So anyway, I ended up going to Walmart. They actually had a pretty good selection, and I was fairly happy. Nobody bothered me. I took my time. I looked at everything, and I think I kind of have it figured out. And I'll show you what we got, guys. I picked up a tripod, so it's flexible, bendable, kind of cheap. As you can see, it bolts right into my camera or whatever. It's supposed to be flexible, so hopefully, this will work out good for me and be good for what we need for the channel. It seems to be really flexible with the way it's put together. I haven't really had it out of the box, but we'll take it out here in just a minute. I'll show you what else we picked up. We picked up, let's see, the lighting here is kind of bad. This is a 128 gig micro card for it. I really wanted the 256 gig. I want to be able to record for a long time. When we hit the car shows and stuff this summer and we go on the trap tour, I just want to make sure that I don't run out of memory. So I'll probably be picking a few more of these up along with some batteries. They didn't have any extra batteries for the camera I got, so I have to get what I can. Maybe I'll look online, order some from Walmart.com. I couldn't imagine they'd be much. But okay, so let's open this box and see what we got. Sony camera, digital HD. Oh, that's an instruction guide and some language I don't speak. Digital HD video recorder camera, operating guide. That's the right language for me. That's English. Accessories, a book about that stuff. Here's something, and I don't know. I have to have Matt Malott interpret that for me. That looks like Mandarin or something. I don't know what the hell that is. Oh, it's probably warranty information. Anyway, it's paperwork. Because I don't know if anybody even really reads this stuff. Let's see. We'll put that right there with that. Let's get to the goods. The goods. Okay, let's see what we got inside the box. The good stuff. Okay. Nice. comes with a 5 volt, 1.5 amp wall charger. So just a regular USB charger, kind of like your phone, exactly like your phone, really. So that's pretty standard. Let's see what we got in the box. Looks like a USB cable, female to male, like that's a USB extension cable. So maybe something plugged into something. We'll see. What is this? That is a micro HDMI to HDMI. Micro HDMI to HDMI. So I'm assuming that this has a micro port on it, and it converts it to the HDMI, so you can plug it in directly to your TV, or, you know, back your cable box, whatever, however you're going to plug it in to watch it on your television. Well, that's snazzy. That's kind of cool. Now, the good goods. Good goods. Here we go. Let's hit this box over here. So, guys, I want to introduce the new camera that you'll be watching all the new videos from. So, when you see a new video, and probably maybe another ending clip from this, you will be seeing it from the new camera. So I want to introduce that to everybody, and this is it. I wish we could get a little better view in here. I need to get a camera posted up, or a light posted up in here. So that's the camera, that's the lens, the side. It's a little Sony camera. It's got the ooh, wow, see, it makes some noise. It's got the okay, let's see, lens cover might be closed. Okay, so it's got the screen, and it'll flip and rotate. So, and it does 1080p video. So this will be what's bringing everybody the new content, this little device here. So hopefully it does good. And if lighting sucks, I'm definitely going to get an LED rigged up on here, so that way I have some lighting options, so there's no more in the dark for everybody. I don't want everybody left in the dark. So yeah, that's it, guys, right there. That's our new camera. That's what we're going to be taking content with this season, at least for the beginning portion. See how everything goes. Believe me, if I get a break in this weather, I'm going to take the opportunity to get this footage, to get this video. I know people are really wanting to see what's going on, and I have a good opportunity to actually have it done. But I'd like to say thanks to everybody that's contributing to my channel, coming back, watching the videos, who like and who are sharing my videos, the people who have subscribed. It keeps growing. I've been at it less than 2 weeks at this point. My videos all pretty much have over 100 views a piece, and that's a great start, and I want to thank everybody for that. And let's keep rolling. Let's keep doing it. And make sure that you take a second to hit the subscribe button. There are a few other things that I'd like to do that will promote the page and bring good content and quality to the page, and it'll make it easier and more accessible for my viewers to see new content and for it to be presented to them. So those are the things I'm going to work on developing. But if you're here right now watching these videos, and you've watched the past few videos, you are my day ones. You're not only watching me develop and do these projects that I'm working on, you're not just getting to see me put the wheels on, or to have the first episode of Trapped Out Whips, that sort of thing. You are actually getting to watch me develop my YouTube as a channel, and develop my brand as who I am and what we're doing together. So you actually get to see the smallest footsteps of everybody. So if anyone comes back to see this, you remember it now. You were here. You were watching it when it happened. You were here supporting me, helping me along, helping the channel along the whole way. And that's going to be monumental to the success of this channel. It really is. So I encourage everybody to keep that up. I'm going to keep investing in doing things for the channel, putting in my time and my efforts. Guys, so if I don't get content up for a couple days, know that I am busy and that I haven't given up, and we're not going anywhere. We're just going to keep plugging at it and working on it in every opportunity. The last few days I haven't been sitting aimless. I'm very, very plotless in the way I go about things. Like I said in my first video, most of the things I do are multi-stage. One thing will lead to another, and it takes more than one piece to put my puzzle together to make things function the way I want them to work. So all these little bits and pieces that you see me scrambling and putting together now are those pieces that contribute to that larger picture. So, you know, right now the season's slow. We're just getting things organized and planned. Just bear with me. Stick around for the content. It's coming, and it's going to be lit, to say the least. I'm excited. I couldn't be more excited, and I hope everybody is excited with me. And for the most part, from everybody I see and talk to, everybody is. So I'm real happy camper, guys, and I just want everybody to keep on trapping, and make sure you hit that like button, share it to your Facebook, share it to your Twitter, share it in a text, I don't care, email it to somebody, email it to the White House, tell them to watch Trap My Ride, and make sure you hit that subscribe. That's important too. Watch the videos to the end, because you know we stand out like bird shit on black shoes, and that's what we do. So alright guys, for the night, keep on trapping, and we'll see you in the next episode.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.